हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनफोल्ड लर्निंग। और मैं आज आपके साथ एक और सोल्यूशन वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जो है आईसीएसई मैथमेटिक्स फॉर क्लास 9 बाय ए दास गुप्ता एंड ए बनर्जी, जिसका टॉपिक कमर्शियल मैथमेटिक्स हम स्टार्ट कर चुके थे। आज इसकी फर्स्ट यूनिट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट की एक्सरसाइज 1C हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। और इसकी प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस के सोल्यूशन मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बता दिए हैं। और अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस देखना है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, और आपको ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेस के एक एक क्वेश्चन के सोल्यूशन आसानी से मिल जाएंगे। और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज्ड से। तो यहाँ पर अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू पी, दैट इज अ प्रिंसिपल, ब्रैकेट में 1 + r/100 टू द पावर n, वेयर r इज अ रेट, n इज अ टाइम। ये दोनों ही चीज़ पर एनम में है, रेट इज पर एनम एंड टाइम इज इन ईयर्स। और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे P 1 + r/100 टू द पावर n -1। यहाँ पे P इसमें भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा और इसमें भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा। एज यू नो दैट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज अमाउंट माइनस द प्रिंसिपल। तो मैंने यहाँ पर अमाउंट की वैल्यू पुट करके प्रिंसिपल कॉमन ले दिया है। सो starting with the exercise, topic is on relation between amount, principal, rate, time n and compound interest। तो सीधे सीधे फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेशन हम सीखेंगे आगे के कुछ क्वेश्चंस में। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए, if ₹4,800 is invested at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum, then find the amount after 2 years and interest earned in 2 years। तो सबसे पहले हम सिंपल फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेशन के लिए गिवन जॉट डाउन कर लेते हैं। गिवन में आपको प्रिंसिपल गिवन है इन्वेस्टमेंट के रूप में, दैट इज ₹4,800 एंड इंटरेस्ट इज गिवन एट द रेट ऑफ 10%। रेट इज गिवन 10%। अब आपका अमाउंट फाइंड करना है 2 ईयर्स के लिए, सो n की वैल्यू हम 2 ले लेंगे। सो अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला अभी मैंने बताया है P × 1 + r/100 टू द पावर n। सो P इज 4,800, 1 + 10/100 टू द पावर 2। सो यहाँ से हम सॉल्व कर देंगे 4,800, ये 0 से ये 0 कैंसिल। व्हेन वी टेक एलसीएम एंड सॉल्व विल गेट हियर 11/10 होल स्क्वायर। सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 4,800 multiplied by 11 2 times and divide by 10 2 times। So ये 0 से ये zeros cancel हो गए and on solving we'll get this as ₹5,808, that is the amount required। As we know the interest earned, so compound interest can be written as amount minus the principal। amount है हमारे पास 5,808 minus principal ₹4,800। So here we'll get it as ₹1,008. Hence this is the solution। Similarly the second part B, find the amount and the compound interest on ₹8,000 for 3 years at 5% per annum। So यहाँ पर हम given jot down कर लेंगे। Principal is given ₹8,000, time n is given 3 years and rate is given 5% per annum। सो अमाउंट के लिए फॉर्मूले में सब्सटीट्यूशन कर देंगे। प्रिंसिपल दैट इज 8,000, 1 + r इज 5/100 टू द पावर n, दैट इज 3। सो हियर वील गेट 8,000 और ये हम कैंसिल कर देंगे 5 20 टाइम्स एंड व्हेन वी सॉल्व दिस वील गेट दिस एज 21/20 होल क्यूब। सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 8,000 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21। so that we'll write 3 times because यहाँ पे क्यूब है 20 × 20 × 20। so ये सारी चीज़ कैंसिल हो जाएगी 8,000 के साथ, और 21 का क्यूब होता है ₹9,261। so hence this is called the amount। now we also need to find compound interest। As you know, compound interest is amount minus the principal। amount is ₹9,261 minus principal, that is ₹8,000। so we'll get here ₹1,261 as the answer। Now, second question, part A. What sum of money should be invested for 2 years at the compound interest rate of 12% per annum so that the sum increases to rupees 4390.40? सो यहाँ पर आपको अमाउंट दिया गया है जो कि इतना इंक्रीज हो गया है. सो वील राइट हियर गिवन अमाउंट इज गिवन रुपीज 4390.40 and we are given rate of interest as 12% per annum for the year 2. So यहाँ से हम sum of money means principal आपको calculate करना है. I'll be substituting in the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So इसमें put करेंगे values. Amount is given 4390.40. Principal P को as it is ले लेंगे. Let principal B P. So ये हमने principal P कंसिडर कर लिया है. 1 plus R is 12 upon 100 to the power 2. So 12 को हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 4 से. 4 3s and 4 25s and we'll get here 4390.40 is equal to, जब हम इसको LCM लेके सॉल्व करेंगे, we'll get here P into 28 upon 25 whole square. So P will be equal to 4390.40 multiplied by ये 25 हम इधर ले जाएंगे. 25 into 25 2 times as it is given in square and 28 into 28 in denominator. And on further solving this, we'll get the principal as rupees 3500. Now the second part. How much should a man invest for 2 years at a compound interest rate of 4% per annum so that he gets an amount of rupees 6760? So उसने कितना इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, मतलब प्रिंसिपल यहाँ पर हमको कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी पी एंड टाइम हमको दिया गया है 2 years. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दिया गया है 4% और अमाउंट गिवन है रुपीज 6760. सो नाउ फर्दर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन, सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग इन द फॉर्मूला A इज 6760, प्रिंसिपल को हम P मान रहे हैं. 1 plus R is 4 upon 100 to the power 2. This can be solved. 4 ones are 4 25 times. So on taking LCM and solving, we'll get here 6760 is equal to P 26 upon 25 whole square. So principal P will be 6760 multiplied by 25 2 times and divide by 26 2 times. And on solving this, we'll get this as rupees 6250 as the answer. Next question number 3. A man sold his flat. He invested half of his money received at a compound interest of 6% per annum and the other half at 10% per annum for 3 years. He will get rupees 6,30,504 after 3 years. At what price did he sell his flat? तो यहाँ पर आपको प्राइस बताना है. सो यहाँ पर हम प्राइस ऑफ द फ्लैट कंसिडर कर लेते हैं X. Let the price of flat be X. अब उसने जो अमाउंट लिया है, जो प्रिंसिपल लिया है, उसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है. फर्स्ट हाफ को उसने 6% पर एनम में इन्वेस्ट किया है और सेकेंड हाफ को 10% पर एनम में. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 2 केसेस बनाएंगे. सो राइटिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट केस, केस 1, जहाँ पर हमारा जो प्रिंसिपल होगा दैट विल बी x अपॉन 2. प्राइस का अमाउंट हम हाफ कर देंगे. रेट विल बी 6% एंड इट इज़ फॉर 3 years. So n will be 3. Now the amount will be x upon 2, 1 plus 6 upon 100 to the power 3. And on solving this, we'll get here x upon 2, 53 upon 50 whole cube. Next case 2, इसमें हमारा प्रिंसिपल फिर से x/2 हो गया. Rate is changed to 10% and it is also again invested for 3 years. So इसके लिए अमाउंट हो जाएगा x/2 1 plus 10/100 to the power 3. And on solving this we'll get here 11/10 whole cube. अब जब इन दोनों का जब हम अमाउंट को सम करेंगे we'll get this value after 3 years. So let this be A1, this be A2. So A1 plus A2 will be 6,30,504. Substituting here the value, so we'll get here x/2 53/50 whole cube minus x/2 11/10 whole cube is equal to 6,30,504. So further we'll take x/2 common और यहाँ पर हम ले लेंगे 53 का क्यूब. सो इट इज़ 148877 डिवाइडेड बाय 125,000 प्लस 1331 होल अपॉन 1000 is equal to 6,30,504. Further, when you solve this, we'll get the value as x/2 3,15,252 divided by 25,000 is equal to 6,30,504. So x की वैल्यू हम निकाल देंगे 630,504 multiplied by 125,000 multiplied by 2 and divide by 315,252. And on solving this we'll get this as rupees 5 lakh. Hence price of the flat is rupees 5 lakh. So this is the solution. Next question number 4. First part, find the rate of compound interest per annum at which rupees 800 becomes rupees 882 in 2 years. तो यहाँ पर rate of interest आपको calculate करके बताना है. So सबसे पहले मैं given लिख लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. Given में principal is given rupees 800, amount is given rupees 882, n is given 2 years. Let rate be R% per annum. Substituting in the formula, 882 is equal to 800, 1 plus R/100 to the power 2. Now we'll take this 882 upon 800 is equal to 1 plus R/100 whole square. So further on solving 1 plus R/100 whole square, dividing it by 2, we'll get here 441 upon 400. As we know, 441 is a square of 21 and 400 is a square of 20. So we can write this as 21 upon 20 whole square. On comparing both sides and taking square root, so 1 plus R/100 is equal to 21 upon 20 and R/100 can be written as 21 upon 20 minus 1. Further on solving, R/100 is 1 upon 20, so R can be written as 100 upon 20 which is equal to 5. So rate is 5%. Next, B part, if rupees 1200 becomes rupees 1323 in 2 years after the interest is compounded annually, find the rate of compound interest. सबसे पहले हम given लिख लेते हैं. If this becomes this much, मतलब आपको principal given है rupees 1200 and amount is given rupees 1323, time is given 2 years. एंड रेट को हम कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. लेट द रेट बी R% per annum. Further, substituting in the formula 1323 is equal to 1200 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. Further, 1323 divided by 1200 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. We'll divide this by 3. So we'll get here 3441. 3 4s are 12 and 00. Again it is 441 upon 400. We can write this as 21 upon 20 whole square. On comparing and taking square root on both sides, 1 plus R upon 100 is 21 upon 20. So R upon 100 will become 21 upon 20 minus 1. So R upon 100 can be written as 1 upon 20. So R is equal to 100 upon 20. So it is 5%. Next, question number 5. If a sum of money becomes 2.5 times in 2 years under an annual compound interest scheme, then find the rate of interest. तो यहाँ पर कुछ amount of money है जो 2.5 times हो जाता है 2 years में. So let the sum of money, that is principal, be x. So amount will become, it is 2 1 by 4. So 2 1 by 4, we'll get here 9 by 4 x as the amount and n is 2 years. Substituting here the value, a is 9 upon 4 x, p is x, 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2. ये x से ये x cancel, so 1 plus r upon 100 whole square can be written as 9 upon 4, which is equal to 3 upon 2 whole square. And on comparing, taking square root on both the side, on both side, so we'll get 1 plus r upon 100 is equal to 3 upon 2. So r upon 100 can be written as 3 upon 2 minus 1. So r upon 100 can be written as, taking LCM and solving, we'll get 1 by 2. So r will be equal to 100 upon 2, that is 50%. 50% is the rate of interest. Next, question number 6. A sum of money is invested for 3 years at 5% per annum compound interest, reckoned annually. If the total interest earned be rupees 2522, then find the sum of money. तो सबसे पहले हम given लिख लेते हैं. Let the sum of money be P. Okay, so rate of interest is given 5% per annum and time is given 3 years. Substituting the value, so amount can be written as P 1 plus 5 upon 100 इसका whole cube. Okay, so when solving this, we'll get P 21 upon 20 whole cube. As we know, the total interest earned, that is the compound interest, is given rupees 2522. Substituting here in the formula, compound interest is equal to amount minus the principal. Substituting here, so 2522 is equal to amount हमने calculate कर लिया है P 21 upon 20 whole cube minus the principal P. So taking P common, we can write this as 21 upon 20 whole cube minus 1 is equal to 2522. So on further solving this, we'll get this as 9261 divided by 8000 minus 1 is equal to 2522. So principal can be written as 2522 multiplied by 8000 divided by, when you solve this by LCM, we'll get here 1261, and on solving this we'll get, therefore the principal is rupees 16,000. Next question number 7. In how many years will a sum of rupees 5120 amount to rupees 7290 at the compound interest rate of 12.1/2% per annum? तो सबसे पहले हम गिवन लिख लेते हैं. गिवन में प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन रुपीज 5120, अमाउंट इज गिवन 7290 and the rate is 12.1/2%. इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे we'll get here 25/2% and let the time be n. Let the time be n. Substituting in the formula, so 7290 is equal to 5120. 1 plus r is 25/2 multiplied by 100 to the power n. So 25 4 times. So taking this on in the denominator, so 7290 divided by 5120 is equal to, we can write this as 9/8. When you solve this 1/8 and taking the LCM, we'll get here this value. Further, ये 0 से ये 0 cancel हो गया. 729 is cube of 9 and 512 is cube of 8. So on comparing, we'll get n is equal to 3 years as the answer. Next question number 8. In how many years will a sum of money becomes more than double at compound interest rate of 12% per annum? हम यहाँ पर consider कर लेते हैं, let sum of money be P, so amount will become 2P and the rate is given 20% and let the time be n. Let the time be n. So now substituting in the formula, 2P is equal to P 1 plus 20/100 to the power n. ये P से ये P cancel and 20 5s is 100. So we'll get here 2 is equal to, when you solve this, we'll get 6/5 to the power n. इसको मैं सेपरेट कर दूंगी and we can write this as 2 is equal to 6 to the power n, 5 to the power n, and we can write this as 6 to the power n should be greater than 2 into 5 to the power n. ओके, ये कंडीशन मैंने इसलिए ली है बिकॉज ये इधर चला जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस वी शुड गेट 6 to the power n as greater than 2 into 5 to the power n. सो अब यहाँ पर हम बारी बारी से n की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड वील सी विच वैल्यू सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन. सो इफ वी पुट n is equal to 1, so 6 is greater than n की वैल्यू जब हम 1 पुट करेंगे तो 5 2s 10 आ जाएगा, विच इज़ रॉन्ग. सो दिस कैनॉट बी पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग n is equal to 2. 6 6 is 36 and 5 5 is 25 into 2 is 50. This also do not satisfy. Again substituting n is equal to 3. So 6 का cube is 216 greater than 5 का cube is 125 multiplied by 2, we'll get here 250. This also do not satisfy. Next substituting n is equal to 4. So 6 to the power 4 is 1296 और 5 की पावर 4 को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we'll get 1250. Hence this solution is satisfying the condition. Therefore time taken is 4 years. Hence this is the solution. Next question number 9. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 2600 46 in 2 years and to rupees 2778.30 in 3 years at the same annual compound interest rate. Find the rate of interest and the sum. तो यहाँ पर rate of interest and sum हमको assume करना होगा. So let R be the rate of interest and P be the sum. So now we'll take the two cases. Case 1, amount is given rupees 2646, N is for 2 years, principal is P and rate is R%. Substituting in formula, 2646 is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. Next is case 2, amount is given rupees 2778.30, N is 3 years, P is the principal and R is the rate of percentage. Substituting in the formula, amount is 2778.30, P 1 plus R upon 100 इसका whole cube because N is given 3. So let us assume this as first equation, this as second equation, dividing equation 2 by equation 1, and on division we will get 1 plus R upon 100 and 2778.30 divided by 2646, and on solving this further we will get R upon 100 is equal to 2778.30 divided by 2646 minus 1. So R upon 100 is equal to 132.30 divided by 2646. So further R will be 132.30 divided by 2646 multiplied by 100. So we will get this as 5% rate of interest. Next we need to find the sum of money. तो sum of money के लिए हम किसी में भी R की value put कर देंगे. Let us take this first equation and substitute here the value. So 2646 is equal to P 1 plus 5 upon 100 whole square. So 5 20 times. So 2646 is equal to P 21 upon 20 whole square. So we can get this here as 2646 multiplied by 20 into 20 divided by 21 into 21. So in all we will get this as rupees 2400. This is the principal and this is the rate of interest. Next, question number 10. The difference of compound interest on the sum of money for 2 years and 3 years is rupees 121 at the same rate of interest of 10% per annum. Find the sum of money. So यहाँ पर हम assume कर लेते हैं let the sum of money be P. So for case 1, compound interest can be written as P 1 plus rate is given 10%. So 10 upon 100 for 2 years है minus 1. So further solving this we will get here 11 upon 10 whole square minus 1. So P will be 1 to 1 upon 100 minus 1, and on solving this we will get this as P 21 upon 100. For second case, compound interest is P 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole cube minus 1. So further when you solve this we will get 11 upon 10 whole cube minus 1. So we can write this as 1331 upon 1000 minus 1. On further solving, we'll get this here 331 upon 1000. Now, in दोनों का जो difference है that is given 121. So, let us consider the CI1 and CI2. So, CI2 minus CI1, that is compound interest 2 minus compound interest 1 is 121. Substituting here the values, so P 1331 upon 1000 minus P 21 upon 100 is equal to 121. Further taking the LCM, taking P common, and LCM is 1000, so 1331 minus 210, this is 331 minus 210 is equal to 121. So principal we'll get here 1 to 1 multiplied by 1000 divided by 121, we'll get this as rupees 1000 as the answer. This is the sum of money. Next, question number 11. At what rate per annum compound interest would be rupees 80,000 amount to rupees 88,200 in 2 years, interest being compounded yearly, and also find the amount after 3 years at the above rate of compound interest. So this is simple. We are given principal rupees 80,000, amount is given 88,200 rupees में, and time is given 2 years. Let the rate be R%. Substituting in the formula, 88,200 is equal to 80,000, 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. So further we'll get here 882 divided by 800 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. Dividing this by 2, so we'll get here 441 and here 400. So this will be equal to 441 upon 400. As we know, this was square of 21 and this is for 20. This will be whole square. Comparing on both the side, we'll get 1 plus R upon 100 is equal to 21 upon 20. So R upon 100 can be written as 21 upon 20 minus 1. Further, R upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 20. So R is equal to 100 upon 20, that is 5%. So rate of interest is 5%. Now we need to find the amount for 3 years. So amount can be written as principal, that is 80,000, 1 plus 5 upon 100 whole cube. So 80,000 upon 21 upon 20 whole cube. So we can write this as 80,000 multiplied by 21, that is for 3 times, and 20 for also 3 times. So further we'll get here rupees 92,610 as the answer. Next question is, a compound interest calculated yearly on a certain sum of money for second year is rupees 880 and for the third year is rupees 961. Calculate the annual rate of interest and original money. So ये question थोड़ा सा tricky है because we have to calculate it yearly. Compound interest for second year is rupees 880 and compound interest for third year is rupees 968. So जब हम इन दोनों का difference निकालेंगे, we'll get difference of compound interest, that is rupees 968 minus rupees 880. we'll get this as rupees 88. So 1 year के लिए अगर हम देखें, so interest is rupees 88 in interest on rupees 880 for 1 ईयर, 1 साल के लिए हमने कैलकुलेट किया था फॉर 880. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 880 इज इक्वल टू P इज 880 multiplied by R for 1 year divided by 100. As we know, interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So इससे जब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे रेट विल बी 10%. सो अब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे प्रिंसिपल. सो लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी P. सो अमाउंट आफ्टर 2 years can be written as P 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole square. On solving this, we'll get this as P 11 upon 10 whole square as P 121 upon 100. Next, we'll calculate amount after 1 more year. So we'll get P into 11 upon 10. So on subtracting this, 1 to 1 P upon 100 minus 11 P upon 10 is 880. So taking P common and taking LCM 100, so 121 minus 110 is equal to 880. So P will be 880 multiplied by 100 divided by 11. So dividing this, we'll get 80. So we'll get this as rupees 8,000 as a principal. So rate is 10%, principal is rupees 8,000. आई होप आपको मेरे सोल्यूशन वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे होंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियोज़ एंड ऑल्सो शेयर विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.